Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Here again with lovely Pinky, of course.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to Pattaya. Today we are in the newest launch project on nice location, Jomtien Second Road, which is straight to the sea, only 450 meters to the beach. And then the building is come with super nice design. The developer is trustworthy from Bangkok. And it's gonna be one of the nice building in Pattaya coming soon.
And here we are inside the showroom, right? Behind us is the condo model already. The construction will start in November and will finish in 3 years.
There are two buildings. Actually, it looks like together as one, but it's divided to be two, building A and building B. 44 stories and 47 stories. Of course, the design is like super future.
So Bangkok style, yeah.
Yes, 606 units. And there are so many types of units, 1 bed, 2 bed, 3 bedroom and penthouse with 300 plus square meter.
They're in Tower B in 47th floor.
Yes,
Duplex, right?
3
And
floor.
Ah, okay.
Yes, penthouse. We'll start with facilities.
Yes, I would say first here about the location. We're right on Jomtien Second Road, right? As Pinky say, 450 meters to the beach. So over here is the Jomtien Second Road. Here is the facility is like on the car park. There's the car park, and on top of the car park is the swimming pool.
Yes, it's kind of a bit like lazy river, so it's like a long pool with a little bit lagoon style.
Same like as in Ramayana Water Park.
Yes. If you've been there, it's really nice. Basically, you can just floating around at this swimming pool, enjoy the beach, the sea. Not only this swimming pool, there are 3 main swimming pools. This is one of them. And then on the back side.
I think first we talk about the front side, because on the front is also the swimming pool on the rooftop.
On the top, yeah,
Yes.
we call sky pool. And next to sky pool, lower floor, you have a duplex of gym, so it's a fitness over there, and sky lounge, the big one over there for
And
the high floor.
this gym and the duplex also connected by the bridge, so you can like go over from Tower A to Tower B.
Right.
And another bridge would be on the 4th level, where it's also connecting to the swimming pool downstairs.
Right. Not only that, on the 3rd floor of the 2 buildings connect to each other, onsen, spa, steam sauna, and another side is game and kid room.
And what is this here?
It's the jogging garden. It's like a jogging park, so you can exercise in the morning.
It looks good. Just cut out from the land just for the jogging track. It's nice.
Yes.
Nice to have it.
They will have 5 shops as well, so it's going to be cafe. There are 5 more shops. In the future, it's for sale, so you, of course, will have probably restaurant and then some convenience store.
And I see here the main entrance is from Bunkanchana Road, so that one, that road leads you directly to Sukhumvit Road, like a 5-minute drive to Sukhumvit Road.
Right, so basically if you go to Sukhumvit like 2 kilometers, 5 minutes, you will find Macro, and 7-8 minutes you will find Tesco Lotus Outlet Mall.
Yeah,
So
very
it's
convenient, and you can easily go also to Bangkok and to Suvarnabhumi Airport. Here on the backside there's the 3rd pool.
The 3rd pool on the car park building. On the top of car park building, you will have another pool. Let's say face to the city side, and you will have a slider for the kids, and you will have kid pool as well.
Also good to mention is that 88% of the units, they have sea view, right? So some of the units here on the back, no sea view, but 88% of the units have sea view.
Exactly. So most of the unit face to the sea. As I like the building design, it look amazing.
I think this is all about like the facilities and the building. So now let's head over to the showroom. Follow us. Alright guys, here we are at the 1-bedroom superior room type, 35 square meter, price starting from 4.59 million baht.
Yes, there are a few types of 1-bedroom, 35 this one, and they also have bigger of 1-bedroom like 40, 50 square meters. This is, I would say, like a practical size, usual size.
Yeah, for like a holiday home, suitable size. We have here kitchen. Everything comes quite sea and earth tone, so like a white.
Also
and
my
beige.
dress.
Oh, my dress also. What a coincidence.
Okay.
Alright, here we have the kitchen, so everything comes with like a built-in. We have Hefele stovetop, space for microwave. We have even here a space for the washing machine, cupboards on top, of course. And even we have here is probably shoe cabinet.
Shoe cabinet, exactly.
So we have a shoe cabinet here as well when you come into the condo. Also special, they have here like a wall cut out for the refrigerator. It's nice to have.
Yes, the unit come with fully furnished, includes wallpaper, curtain, electric appliance. You will get washing machine, fridge, microwave, aircon, TV. I would say everything what you saw except the small decoration like vase or dish.
And over here, dining area. So dining table enough for two. And over here is already the living room, right? I mean, like here you have a nice sofa. Very
nice
relaxing.
Sofa, yes, separate with bed zone. You have a slide door in case you don't want to talk to
somebody.
Yes, you can just close the door and you have your private zone.
I know what you mean. And over here we also have a space for the balcony. It's nice to have it as well. You can just open here and have a decent space for the outside balcony. It's enough for 2 chairs and a coffee table, I would say.
Here, comfortable king size bed.
Let's see how comfortable it is. Okay, the mattress need to a little bit.
Maybe you're a little bit old now.
Okay.
So
the pillows are nice.
Look fluffy. And then you will get wallpaper design like this.
And here also you will have floor to ceiling high windows.
This is
like a
nice.
really nice Bangkok style.
Yes.
And you can even open here.
Wow.
Yes. Of course you have a wardrobe.
This side quite have some space and wardrobe here.
And over here we have bathroom. Also actually spacious for 35 square meter room. It's quite spacious here. We have sink with the black marble, Koto toilet. And even inside here, rain shower. And it's tall enough for me, the rain shower as well. This is good. And you can also close the door over here. And you have a space for put your shampoo and body soap. So I think this was it about the 35 square meter 1 bedroom. Now we bring you to see the other ones.
Yes, this one starting with 4.59 million baht with all fully furnished.
But let's see the bigger units now. Follow us. At the 50 square meter Deluxe Suite.
This is my favorite type.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah. I like it too.
Thank you. So come in. I like the layout and it's matched together well with the design.
I mean, like I also like it much more.
Okay. We start with the shoe cabinet, of course, very important for me. So you have shoe cabinet already prepared here at the entrance. This is kitchen.
This kitchen is much better than the other one. So this is really worth it in this condo here.
So you have real big kitchen, like U-shaped style together with the table. Like a built-in bar table, what we call dining table, not really. Then you have the cabinet, the shelf for spoon, forks and all stuff. And this is nice, real place where you can really cook. So you have hot pot, sink, and you have space for your coffee, microwave, big fridge. And this is for your wine glass, dish and all stuff.
And even you have like a dedicated space for the wine bottles, which is always important.
This is not included.
But at least the wine bottles have a home here.
Yes, this is really nice.
And then over here we have the living room. I really like this color here with this kind of like a brown
light
orange.
Brown.
And nice back wall as well with the lights here. And look at this. They even already prepare the drinks here. Unfortunately, we cannot serve now. Okay, but also have nice coffee table, super comfortable sofa. And also here I like how they put TV cabinet. Nice design, same color. With a lot of drawers here, also with a special design element here as well.
Exactly.
And you can put your TV here. Also it comes with like this built-in wall. And then inside over here, an even larger bedroom. Of course, we are now in 50 square meters. And nice that you have like a really like a separate bedroom.
So you have bigger size of the space of the bed and then the bathroom, which I will show later. This is the built-in, of course, actually not include all this built-in, but you can make like an extra, which is I think not that much.
Does it come here with this marble lamp?
The lamp is, but I don't think this marble lamp.
But if you
We will
want to
find
get it, I
out.
will find out for you where you can get it. And also you have here, of course, like a floor to ceiling high windows. Special design here for the TV.
It's gonna be the TV.
Okay. But I mean, like if you have something else to do in the
Beautiful.
bedroom than watching TV, then probably this is a good choice. And nice with a rose gold and some marble here.
Right, this marble actually I like too, with a little bit orange element. This is wardrobe. I don't know how we call with this kind of glass.
Striped glass.
Can be, but with the colors, design, it look nice. And the bathroom.
And also want to put the attention first on the Daikin aircon. Daikin aircon, #1 brand.
When you come in, you will have your separate shower room and of course the bathtub. They make quite nice space, and you also can have a nice bathtub, big bathtub in your bathroom. And this is a sink, toilets on this side, so you can entrance from living rooms and from the bedroom to this beautiful bathroom. And this unit starting price is 6.59 million baht only.
Fully furnished?
Yes,
Oh,
exactly.
very good. And also probably have sea view?
Yes.
Good price. As we say, it's like a off-plan.
Yes,
Off-plan
of course,
project, so
always.
it's a total pre-sale prices. So if you want to get these prices, you have to act fast.
Yes, call us quick.
Exactly. And now we show you the 2-bedroom suite. Let's have a look.
This size is 80 square meter. 2-bedroom executive. And only in the corner unit with like left side corner, right side corner. So of course you get like a beautiful sea view for this type of unit.
Exactly. Both sides view.
Yes.
And then when you enter, also have a shoe cabinet. Always good to have a shoe cabinet.
Important.
And also, additionally, you have a bench here for sit down and put on your shoes.
Yes, I think you like it.
Yes, exactly. I
Okay.
can sit here for hours. We also have digital door locks, so with the fingerprint, we have here more space for washing machine. Actually, you put one washing machine and one dryer. Actually, it's a combination already.
Exactly, it's come together like this, but you have like a 2 machine.
And you have a lot of space.
And you even have more cabinet for your cleaning stuff.
And then over here, we have the guest bathroom. So comes of course with like a spacious rain shower, with the sink here, with the black marble, Cotto toilet as well. And you can also access this way to the guest bedroom. We are here. So this guest bedroom or second bedroom, let's say, comes of course with the wardrobe, also with this glass space for queen size bed. But you also have here like a nice built-in headboard. You have here lamp plus bedside table. What I always like is the floor to ceiling windows. Large windows is really like a Bangkok style. It's nice to have it. Also comes here with the wallpaper with all this like a built-in frames. And then here we are coming back
to the living zone. Before we go to the living room, there are one more nice zone which I would use for welcome armchair or maybe
Here?
working.
Welcome space for the guests. And actually also here you have another balcony as well.
Right. This pillar will...
Well, this is just because of the showroom.
Yeah, just the construction of the showroom.
And then here you come inside the living room.
Big living room for like family rooms. I mean, of course, this side is good for the family.
Yes.
So you have sofa zone, TV on this zone.
Totally different style than the other rooms. This is the executive style.
Of course, more premium.
Yes, more for the CEOs.
As I like the kitchen, of course, I like a big kitchen, so you have an island.
It's even upgraded to the deluxe room because the other one is only like a bar and dinner table, but here you have really nice kitchen island.
On the back side is the kitchen with a full-place stove, hot food, microwave, big fridge, sink. The gold color of the built-in in the kitchen, I love it. Brown gold.
Walls.
Oh, yes.
So basically this one is kind of the dining table. So this is probably like a Bangkok style. You not cooking too much at home and eating too much at home. You're probably more going out for dinner. This one is for grabbing a quick lunch or breakfast.
Breakfast, yes.
and then going out for dinner. Or you have some more space there to put like a dining table as well. So it's actually also good to put it.
Yes, exactly.
And then here we are coming to the master bedroom. The master bedroom, of course, comes with an ensuite bathroom as well. Here we have the wardrobe, also with this glass again. Sliding doors.
Nice built-in here and big bed.
Yes, king size bed. You have again the floor to ceiling glasses. On this side actually you have here also built in for putting the TV and have also LED stripes all around, like nice design. And then this bathroom of course is even more special because you have a bathtub as well inside. Bigger space here for the sink, separated door, even for toilet, rain shower as well. Overall nice design, even smart mirror. Yes.
This size starting with 11.9 million baht. 80 square meter.
2 views and fully furnished.
So this is all about today, the new project AQUAROUS on Jomtien.
Yes, I think like a very nice new condo from like a trusted developer from Bangkok.
Right, nice design building, and you will get a lot of facilities and walking distance to Jomtien Beach.
If you're looking for some investment, then probably this is now the best time to buy for this condo because of course like a trusted developer, so you can be pretty sure that they're also gonna finish the project, and now it's the total pre-sale prices, so you can never get a better price than now. And I think also in the future, if you want to rent out or even living by yourself, I think it's nice because convenient location in Jomtien, 450 meters to the beach, 2-minute drive or 5-minute drive to Sukhumvit Road, and you have all like amenities in Jomtien around here.
Yes, the price starting with 4.59 million baht. And you get all fully furnished 1 bedroom. There are also other type 2-bed, 3-bed penthouse. So you can check on our listing below.
We will put, of course, the listing in the video description as always. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel if you like. Thumbs up, of course. See you guys on next Sunday. Thank you very much. Bye bye.